Hi, it's Michelle from The Perfect Tour. Today, I'm taking you through the entire process of doing a visa run from Vietnam to Laos. And yes, we did manage to do it all in just one day. Mind you, a very long day. So if you're wondering what a visa run actually is, it's essentially a quick cross-border trip, usually by bus, to refresh or extend your stay in Vietnam. In this case, we headed to the Laos border to secure a new 3-month visa. It's a service commonly used by expats, people working in Vietnam without a TRC, and travellers like us, retired tourists who absolutely love this beautiful country and want to stay just a little longer. We filmed the entire experience with Lynn Visa in Danang, capturing every step so you'll know exactly what to expect, how the process works, and what your day will look like. So stick around to the end where I've included all the important contact details and information you might need. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to follow more of our Vietnam adventures on The Perfect Tour. Let's get into it. We've come to Lynn Visa this morning to pay for our border run so that we can get another 3 months visa. And Ken's waving. Hello. So we've just come to do all the paperwork. We've heard that Lynn Visa is very reputable, so
Yes.
we will tell you how we go. I like that. Don't worry, just run. A visa run with Lynn Visa cost 4,070,000 dong per person, and there's a 5% fee if you pay by card. But if you pay cash and pay in advance, you get 170,000 dong discount each, bringing it to 3.9 million dong. That's about 225 Australian dollars, saving you roughly 20 Australian dollars overall. Now, if paying by card, generally you can pay all at once or pay a deposit of 900,000 dong. That's about 52 Australian dollars. This is a non-refundable deposit, and then you can pay the rest on the day of your trip. Mind you, there is no discount with this option. Now, Ken and I rode into Lynn Visa office in Danang 2 weeks beforehand, paid in cash, locked in the discount, and didn't have to think about it again. If you've got your own bike, it's easy, but if you need to take a grab or taxi just to pay the cash, the extra trip might cancel out the savings, so keep that in mind. Now, the whole admin process was smooth. We contacted Lynn Visa via their website WhatsApp link, sent all our passport details through. It was simple, fast, and hassle-free. Got this life before 9 a.m. Alright, so we're walking to catch the bus because today we're actually doing our first sort of visa run. First time on a Vietnamese bus, which,
Oh dear, we're looking forward to that.
Yep.
It's a long day. What's the times now? 5:45. And we probably won't be home till about 10 p.m. tonight.
When booking your visa, they will ask you where you would like to be picked up, and our option, of course, was Hoi An. A shuttle bus picked us up at the Mad Monkey and drove us into the Danang office, where we met up with our luxury bus. Alright, so apparently we've got massage chairs.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's your back massage.
oh, nice.
And backwards, forwards.
Yeah.
Bum heater.
Oh, a bum heater. Awesome.
And I'm not sure what that one does.
Okay. Tip number 3. take something to keep you entertained because the bus ride is 4.5 to 5 hours one way. Although there are no toilets on the bus, you don't have to worry because you have 2 stops on the way up and 2 stops when you're coming back home.
That kind of love just seems to keep me guessing. One more drink will turn my world around. You got me wondering.
Just having lunch. Called Com Bin Dan, a bit of Com, a bit of Bin and a bit of Dan.
Yeah, not a lot of choice there, unfortunately. Or, my tip would be bring your own lunch.
Yeah,
Definitely
bring your own lunch. Yeah,
Absolutely.
definitely do that next time.
Guess the line's too thin to recognize.
A quick rundown of the process while heading to the border. Now listen carefully.
It may be convenient for border officer check. And after checking security, please give your passport for me. Then you will see the building, the big building. Please just go inside the big building, hit the stamping area. And all you have to do is just wait at there. I need a time to take the access stamp for all of you. So it takes about 30 minutes. During this time, you can spread out. There are a supermarket and toilet near the stamping area. You can enjoy snack or coffee there. And 1:30 p.m.
Just pausing here for a moment. We were asked to bring a passport photo, so I was confused what it was for. Turns out it's for the Laos Visa. Also, just a quick clarification, because at this point it started getting a bit confusing. One more time for the dummies.
30 minutes.
Oh, okay. 30 minutes.
Right. So, I don't understand what we have to do about the Laos Visa thing.
Did we have to leave? This is so badly explained. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we've got half an hour. So what's the time now?
1:05.
Okay, so at 1:30 we've got to come back. But we've got a photo. That was the thing that messed me up because we're supposed to get a photo. A little confused because we handed those in. Were we supposed to put our passport photo for the Laos Visa in with our passport?
No, not yet.
No, not yet. Okay.
You
So
come
when
to
we
Laos
come,
The Laos side?
okay, so at 1:30
okay.
we go to the Laos side and we put the photo in with our passport.
You have the big field, big form. And you put the photo and put your passport on the big form.
Okay.
Then give for our staff.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
we do everything.
Right. Okay, so it was just a little unclear.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, so back to the original audio on the bus. Don't worry, because I got confused yet again, and I'm going to blame it on old age.
1:30 p.m. come back the stamping area. Then we go to the Laos side.
Yep, you guessed it. Still a little confused.
Me or our staff over there.
Yep.
Yeah, give your passport for our staff of me. And wait there, we can handle everything for you.
Yep.
Then finish from the Laos, you go back to Vietnam and give your passport for our staff again. Okay?
Right, got it.
Got it.
Something new or visual?
Back to the bus audio, and I think I finally got it.
And at the Laos side, you give your passport for us again. And by the way, for those who need to get the Laos visa on arrival, please prepare the physical photo. And if you don't have a photo, please put the 50,000 on inside your passport. And remember, at the Laos side, you put physical photo of 50,000. Vietnam side, don't put anything. Are you clear?
More waiting. Whoop, whoop. Okay, so stamped in and out of Laos. And there's the visa right there. Okay, so we have now been stamped out of, we stamped into Laos, now we're stamped out of Laos. We're going to walk all the way back to the Vietnam border, hand our passports back to the Lynn Visa agents and then wait again to be stamped back into Vietnam. Wave, cheers.
We're gonna make it to YouTube.
Mexican
Yes,
beer
you are.
Mexican beer on the Vietnamese Lao border.
Well, the good news is we got our visas for another 3 months. And you know what? That wasn't as painful as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah,
Get to talking to some other people, and
it was
that's cool.
Interesting day out.
Yeah. And now we got another 5-hour trip back.
Yes.
So, in saying that, we got here at about 12:15. Had lunch.
Yeah, we got to the Vietnam immigration about 1 o'clock.
Okay, and the time now is
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Right.
That's
Well, that's not too bad.
not too bad.
I thought it was going to be a lot worse.
Yes.
We'll see you on the flip side.
Yes.
Okay, so in summary, 6:30 pick up Hoi An, 7 a.m. arrive at Lynn Visa office Danang, 7:30 leave by fancy bus to Lao Bao, 9 a.m. first 15-minute break, 10:30 second 15-minute break, 12:15 arrived at Lao Bao for lunch, 1 p.m. proceed to gate, hand over passport, 1:30 get exit stamp out of Vietnam, 1:45 get passport and walk to Lao border, 2:30 get passport back with stamps in and out of Lao, 2:45 walk back to Vietnam, hand passport back, 4 p.m. new 3-month visa stamp, 4:30 back on bus, 6 p.m. 15-minute break, 7:30 15-minute break. Now we got back between 9:30 and 10 p.m. and of course it depends on traffic when you get back to the Lynn Visa office in Danang, and we finally got home at 10:30. All the details and contact for Lynn Visa is in the description below. Now here's some top tips. Book early, pay in advance. Make sure your passport has enough pages and is valid for at least 6 months. Take something to keep you entertained. Bring food and snacks. Extra passport photos. Some comfortable clothing, comfy shoes, be prepared for a long day, and stay hydrated and most of all, enjoy the adventure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to The Perfect Tour, and we hope this video will make it an easy process for when it's your time to run.